Hey there, so today I'm going to show you how to play Pizza Ready Hack for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu we can enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this on and you guys will see that my gems should start increasing. So let's find out if this works in 2025. So currently there's no change, but let's see if it goes up. So hopefully we do see an increase and then we're going to be all set. So I'm just going to wait for this to load and let's see what we get. We're not going to, oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version, guys, onto your device. So the first thing we need to do is open up our browser and we just need to go onto tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in right here. So on this site, guys, we're just going to type in Pizza Ready, and there it is. Press install. Now before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So let's just wait for this to load. I don't really know, like some people hate the verification, but it's really easy, so I don't know why you guys would complain. But yeah, I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see, and we're going to be all good to go, bro. So yeah, let's just give it a second for this to load up. So yeah, this is so cool. So now it's bringing us to the verification, and it's gonna say like missing files. So you gotta download 2 of the apps. So you can see like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got like Facts from iPhone. This one's another search. This one you gotta reach level 25, so that's a little hard. But like this one, you gotta play 3 games on this Supreme King. So yeah, it's do 2 videos and then you're done. Like it's that easy, bro. So I hope you enjoyed. This is the mod menu with some settings in here. So you can be rich on Pizza Ready.